Hello tubers, it's a continuation of the planter boxes. I'm just finishing off one right here. I already built it, and now I'm just putting a plastic lining. And that'll keep the wood from rotting, I guess. And then you can put in screening, keep the dirt in. So between the plastic and the screening, should keep the dirt wet longer. You can drill some holes, but you don't have to do that. Just water it. The water will still seep out on the bottom. And yeah, put the lining in on all sides over the plastic. Screening, I guess it's called, for dirt. And then we can take a look at how the backyard makeover is coming along. So far so good. I've already got a garden going in my buckets like last year. And once I finish this planter, I'm going to build another like 7 or 8 foot or something like around the edge of the yard of the fence. So there, one box was done. There's my crazy Daisy dog. Here's the progress of the yard so far. There's my little garden. Tomato plants, Jetstar, and some different kind of hot peppers. And there's on the table there's some lettuce, or actually a lot of lettuce. That little box there, I've already had like about 4 or 5 salads, and there's tons of it left. I'll be eating out of that all summer. Just pick the leaves on the bottom and it'll keep growing and sprouting out new leaves. And there's my crazy Daisy dog again with the soccer ball. Just can't get enough of that toy. I can do it. Daisy, you're crazy. Yeah, still got some work here. I got this area done anyways. Got some new grass growing. That damn air conditioner's so loud. I just got this table here. I have to fix it. I got a whole bunch of these chairs. So nice on the cheap. And about where it's about to start to get filled up with meat. Got a little late start in my tomato plants, but we'll see if they take. These tomato plants and all the other stuff here has been sitting in this box for a week and a half. They're still surviving, so I'm just going to put them in dirt, trying to finish up my planters. And once I get them in the dirt and get some fertilizer on there, I think they might make it. But I've already had about 4 or 5 salads out of these. lettuces. I'm just gonna have some more today. Jeez, can't keep up with it. Alright. Yeah, so now it's all cleaned up and the barbecue has begun. Got some nice homemade burgers, some Rhea sausages. These are like amazing sausages. Marinated chicken, some peppers, and eggplant. And that's round one. Still got more stuff to go. We got lamb chops, Ontario lamb, not New Zealand. Never make the mistake and buy New Zealand. It stinks. Most people, like in Canada and the States, they think, oh, I got a leg of New Zealand, leg of lamb, and they think it's good, but no. Buy Ontario lamb. Kiki! Really? Kanya pala, Wasili? Kay Denise Kanya pala? Happy birthday? Oh, kala po humagalo barbecue. Hapsi na me 10 meses. Wow, that's a lot of food. And still more stuff to go. More lamb and more hamburgers. Yep, this is round 2. Coals are still hot. All the food is keeping warm in the pot. There's my mommy and daddy and girlfriend, wife. So yeah, this backyard makeover so far so good. It's looking nice. Nice. The barbecue's running at full speed. I need a few more gardening boxes and